Hey guys, it's little Zany Janie. What's up, everybody? I am little Zany Janie, and thank you for tuning in. So, I've been vlogging my life of travel for the new work assignments that I've been doing, and I'm working on these travel assignments because I'm trying to pay off my debt as quickly as possible so I can actually take a job that I only get to pay my mortgage with, and then it's not so bad. So yesterday was a full 10-hour shift. It was a Thursday, and it was actually pretty good. They flexed somebody, which means that they sent somebody home early, and then there were only 3 of us who worked on that shift, myself being one of them. So it was really good, actually. The people I worked with were really cool, so we just worked, and they played music, we talked, and we just worked, and it was one of the better working experiences I've had in SPD. I did what I really try to push myself to do. I picked up sets that I was not familiar with and I didn't necessarily want to do, and I did that on purpose because the more I do them, the easier they'll be, because I'm gonna have to do them anyway. So if I just do them and get them out of the way, it'll become easier, I'll become faster at them, and I won't be afraid to pick up anything. So that's one of the things that I did yesterday for sure. It had to do with a laparoscopic set, which is instrumentation that normally comes apart, and they make a small incision wherever they're having surgery, and they use a laparoscopic instrument to do the surgery rather than cutting you open and digging inside with all the other instrumentation. So it's a little less invasive and has less recovery time. Definitely worth the cleaning. So I hoped to have saved some lives yesterday. That's one of my favorite things about working in SPD, is that I get the opportunity to actually impact people's lives. People actually had these instruments inside them, and they actually changed their life for the better, I hope. And it's a good thing. It's a really good thing, and it's one of the passions that I have about it. And it was a good day. I got to listen to 2 chapters of the Bible, which was good. I listened to Leviticus and Numbers. There's a lot of animal death in those books, and I didn't realize that Moses had multiple books about him. But I guess they did wander for 40 years, so that was interesting. But I listened to those 2 books, and I really enjoy that because I don't have to have the wires. I have these nifty, handy-dandy little galaxy buds. I love you, kitty. They just want to spend time with me because I'm not here. Don't knock it over. But, okay, so it's these galaxy buds. As you can see here, they are Bluetooth. So I charge them with the same charger that I use for my phone. I charge them with the same charger. It's a C-type charger, as you can see here, C-type. And I have this handy-dandy stand where it charges my headphones, my phone. I pulled the phone charger out because I'm going to take it with me to work, and then my watch. So my Samsung Active watch. Fancy, but I really enjoy these things. They make my life so much easier, and thank you, Mr. K, for all of these things. He just loves me, and he just buys me a lot of stuff, and I just appreciate it because it's really nice stuff, and so it just makes my life easier, and I hope that he enjoys his, because he also has all of these things. But that's a definite benefit of traveling is you get paid more money. You get paid more money because you're in a place that's not your home. You're working in a hospital that you're not familiar with, and you are literally there to help them. That's all you're there to do. So it's a temporary position, and being a travel agent. No, working with a travel agency is fine. It's good. I like my recruiter a lot. She's really nice. And so that's kind of something that I do. I've been talking to her a lot. I have booked another assignment already. I booked another assignment because this was only a 4-week assignment. I booked a 13-week contract in Kansas City. So it'll be a little bit closer to home, which is nice. It'll be about half the distance from home. And then it actually pays like just a hair more each week. And that's something that's awesome about traveling. Is you get paid each week. So that was kind of my day yesterday. I had a pretty good day. I got through quite a few more sets than I was used to. I'm getting back into the groove of how quickly I can do sets properly, with checking all the instrumentation and ensuring that they're safe to move forward. So I can make a specific video that's a little bit more regarding traveling and what's happening with it. So I can go over all the different things that I had to do to get here to this point. But this was more just a video about yesterday. This was a vlog of day 3, because it started on Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, day 3. Today's day 4. It's my last day of my 10s. I actually was okay yesterday. I stretched and I did squats, and I sat down. I took my vitamins and I drank a lot of water, and I actually changed my shoes. That was something that did. About when my feet started hurting, I changed my shoes to my regular shoes that are very worn in and comfortable. And this way, hopefully, I'll wear the other ones in more to the point where they'll be that comfortable. And I have extras like sole pads for my shoes. So thank you, sister. Thank you, Jennifer, for Merry Christmas to me. This is very helpful, and it makes my day better. So wear extra sole pads, stretch, and that's how I made my 10s easier. So I think my body's getting more accustomed to it. And then next week, thank you, Kat, featuring Cliff and Avalanche. Next week, I'll only have to do 8s, but I will have to work 5 days. So, but hopefully I'll have enough time to keep moving forward with all my goals. And we'll get going. So that was my day yesterday. I hope that you liked this video, or that it was just more entertaining than helpful, but hopefully it was a little helpful too. And I'm gonna get ready for work now. As you can see, I just woke up and here I am. And that's kind of what's happening. So have a wonderful day, and je t'aime, te amo, ich liebe dich, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, and adios. Bye, I love you.